Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today video is about
car satellite radio equipment.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Elevate your driving experience with the RoadyBT. It includes everything you need to tap into all SiriusXM has to offer, including over 425 channels of ad-free music, plus the best in sports, talk, news, and comedy. Simply connect the intelligent power adapter and display cable to the radio display. Then choose where you mount the radio using the included magnetic dash mount or vent mount. If you've already got a magnetic mounting solution from another brand, RoadyBT may fit that as well. Next, connect to your car's audio system using one of three options: Bluetooth streaming, auxiliary input, or your FM radio. Finally, just activate the radio and you're ready to go. The RoadyBT includes tons of great features, including convenient day and night brightness settings to make your drive safer. Never miss a moment with pause, rewind, and replay of live satellite radio. Getting alerts when your favorite songs, artists, or teams are on air. And automatically starting songs from the beginning with Tune Start. If you've already got a magnetic mounting solution from another brand, RoadyBT may fit that as well. Next, auxiliary input, or your FM radio. RoadyBT includes tons of great features, including pause, rewind, and replay of live satellite radio. Getting alerts when your favorite songs, artists, or teams are on air. And automatically starting songs from the beginning with Tune Start. RoadyBT.
There's never been a better time to have SiriusXM, with even more exclusive content that you can't find anywhere else. Like over 150 channels in your vehicle, including the widest, deepest variety of music, ad-free. Root for your team anywhere you are. Get news from every source. Listen to whatever makes you laugh. And hear all about your favorite stars and what's going on right now. Your free 3-month all-access subscription includes more than ever before to enjoy online, on your phone, or at home on devices like smart TVs, connected speakers, and more. First time, create your own ad-free personalized stations powered by Pandora. Hear ad-free extra channels filled with music for every mood, occasion, or activity. And enjoy a backstage pass to your favorite shows with SiriusXM video you can't find anywhere else. Like including the widest, deepest. Root for your team. Get news. Listen. And hear ours and what's going on. All access includes more before to enjoy connected speakers and more. First time, create your own stations Pandora. Hear ad-free extra channels filled with music for every mood, occasion, or activity. Enjoy a backstage XM video, including performances on demand. It's all included with your months of all-access service. Start enjoying it all in your vehicle, on your phone, online, and at home today. What you love is on now.